Up and get in the kitchen, everybody, because Temp-tations is our best value of the day, and this is our first ever glove and trivet set. Did you say well over how many today? 17,000 have now been ordered today. 6,000 just in the kitchen with Mary. This is the Temp-tations 6-piece everyday cooking essential set. You get gloves, you get oven mitts, you get trivets, and you get to spend some time with this lovely lady right here who is Tara Tesher.
Hello.
My friend. Woo, off to the races, busy.
This has been exciting.
It's so good to see you.
Oh, it's so good to see you. Are you kidding? I adore you.
You know
Thank you. Good morning, everybody.
Tara Tesher is the one in the lead at the Temp-tations family. This is her creation. These are her designs, and this is an answer to what a lot of us have been asking for.
Absolutely. And what have our solutions been in the past? We use towels. We use some of those mitts that you don't have dexterity with. And of course, we've put together the best system, starting, of course, with our gloves. We have sold over 350,000 sets of gloves, Mary, and there's a reason why. Do you see Mary picking up from the stovetop this? Let me take the lid off. Let me just show you what's inside here. Here's the beauty of it. We have soup. Mary's going to pick it up from the side. It is really, whatever's easier for you, my friend. It's very heavy, so I'm going to take the handles from her, and then why don't you put your hands underneath?
Come on.
So look at this, boiling cast iron. We all know how hot cast iron gets. So whether it's your gloves, what are you feeling, Mary?
It's just warm.
Yep, whether it's your mitts, you can touch the sides of this, whether it's your trivets, you can touch the sides with this. And we'll show you why through the technology. I'm going to get that from you, my friend. Through the technology in just a moment. So, yeah, what are you doing?
Just ready to deliver some soup.
So here's what we love. We started with, of course, the gloves, and then we listened to all of your feedback and all of your comments. Layer upon layer of these great fabrics that make it not only comfortable in the kitchen, but also heat resistant up to 500 degrees. You have the long cuff that you see here, so when you're reaching into your little ovens, your big ovens, you never have to worry about bumping into and burning yourself. But you wanted other pieces that also had the same material. So we made our mini mitts for just that. Your Oster ovens, your KitchenAid ovens, all your air fryers, all of those tabletop appliances or countertop that you're using, this is the perfect way, and it's now in that same beautiful knit material, silicone on the top and bottom. We didn't just stop there though, we also included your trivets. These are the secret weapon. Not only are they the storage, but they're also the protection not only for your hands, but now for your tabletop and your linens and everything in your dining experience. And they also work as a mitt as well. So 6 incredible, unique pieces that all coordinate back with that technology that started with just one glove.
So cool. And you know what? These are all machine wash pieces.
Yes.
The gloves are reversible, so you always have a side to flip to.
Yes.
And we have 4 brand new today, and we have 4 of your favorites, but those favorites have a mix of our 2 favorite patterns too.
Yes, they do. Finally, polka dots are back. Did you see that? I came right up. Polka dots are back, which you've been asking for so long. Love that we brought them back in what I think is an essential in everybody's home, not just your kitchen. You take these out to the barbecue. You take these around the home. You take them to your dining room table. Here's your multi. Then we have, and I love how each one has a personality. This is fun. This is retro, right? The polka dots. What is her name? Mina? Mina, we hope you got the dots.
I hope Mina's watching.
Then, of course, we have our Damask, beautiful in that gray detail. So many people decorating with that color, and I love that this takes on a very elegant feel. So maybe you're picking up an everyday set, and this is your holiday set.
I ordered that one, and it's most popular in the show right now.
And I asked Mary why. I like the swirls.
It matches my new Woodlands collection
I
very
love that
well.
about you. Here's our trellis. So this is one of those timeless classic pieces that have been done in so many different colors and so many iterations. I love the pop of the teal there. It's one of the hottest colors and kitchen colors. And then palm, super popular. You're seeing this everywhere. It's fresh, it's breezy, it's cool. It's just one of those, if you're thinking about gift giving, with this being the only order this year, this is one that you'd want to tuck away because that is fun.
By the way, that palm is now starting to get limited.
I'm not surprised.
Both green choices. Very.
And then, of course, we have our classics, right? We have your black here. And we did this not only by color, but also by look. So if there is a man on your list that you know wants to go out to the barbecue, perfect. Of course, we could never have a kitchen offering and not have our bright kitchen red that so many of you love. That's a raised silicone pattern that you're seeing there. May look flat, but it's all raised. Then we have your blue next door. Mix and match those. We know some of you love to do that for Americana. And then we have our classic green, always our most popular in our stoneware pieces.
Well, it's popular today too in the large and the small, and I have the sizes here for you. So I just wanted to show you, this is the small, This is the large. I'm gonna put them over the top and show you how they're different in size. So take a look. The large underneath, do you see how you get about another inch on each finger just in the finger length alone. So if you're looking at the two different sizes, if you have a small or a medium hand, get the small. You know, if you have gargantuan mitts, get the large. So that is the only other choice that you have to make, because here's the value that I've been standing on a ladder screaming about since I showed up this morning. Because if sold separately, okay, the oven gloves themselves would be $20. Then that small trivet, if you drop down to that third line, could cost you $10.30 on its own. Now I'm over the price of the entire Today Special Value, and I got 3 pieces. Here, you get all 6 pieces for less than $30. It's like we threw in the oven mitts and the large trivet just because we said, you know what, it's Wednesday, let's get nuts. And we just threw them in the box for free. So if sold separately, $57.92 is what you could spend. Our Today Special Value price is $29.98, and we have 4 easy payments of $7.50. Also, this is what we have for the year. So when you see that red and you think, ooh, that's a good Memorial Day, 4th of July red, that's also a Christmas red. That's also a lovely holiday red. That black is a beautiful year-round color. All the colors, this is what we have for the year. So yes, when you see May and you think, why am I holiday shopping in May? Because it's already popular today.
Yes.
And this is supposed to last us for the year. In October or September or August, you're going to type to me and say, Mary, where's that set that you guys, this is all we have for the year. There's no reorder for 2019. So it's time to place your order. It's time to protect your hands and your wrists and really do it in a way that I feel comfortable with putting on the table.
Yeah, well, that's what I love also. So it's about the technology, Mary. There's a reason why I'm able to take these mini mitts and hold this boiling water of pasta water. And what makes it super easy, and what my mom showed me as a trick, I showed you with the gloves before, what she's able to do is slide her hand right under. So take a walk with me. I'm going to go over to the sink, because notice what I'm doing here. I'm not holding it by the handles, because for her, this is too heavy. She's already said to me, I don't feel secure. I have a boiling pot of water and I'm concerned. But now I can slip my hand under here. And what does that do? It helps me with being able to pour that pasta right out. You know what else it does? Because you have those great mitts, you're able to go into things like your toaster oven, like your Oster, where you have them on the tabletop or on the countertop and reach in here. Sometimes the gloves might be too bulky because the space is so small. Look at this. I can reach in here and grab these. I can put it on top of the trivet, leave that trivet there always, and always have it there. I have my air fryer where I've made my wings and I want to reach in and grab that basket. Now I can do that with that mitt. That's why the gloves are perfect, the mitts are perfect, and then you include those great trivets and you have a home run, not only in the way you're prepping and cooking and serving, but the way you're setting the table. Because you have that silicone non-slip grip on both sides, Mary, now I can open those jars and I never have to go try to find that silicone square piece that I can never find. I incorporated and designed these so that you had the best of both included in all of it.
There are layers happening here. That silicone has the
We have
good
some
grippies.
animation to show that.
Yes, we do. We should take a look, because this isn't just about a pretty design. There's layers of engineering going on.
That's absolutely right. That fabric coming together in multiple layers of polyester and cotton not only provides comfort for your hands, but it also provides the protection. That silicone on top, again, gives you the ease of that non-slip. Going in the oven, coming right to the table with the trivet. Love that. Taking it and putting it in the microwave. I don't even need my mitts. I'm using my trivet as my mitts there. My mini mitts take me into my toaster oven, take me into my KitchenAid oven, take me into my Oster. Oh, and let's not forget the barbecue. We're going to check in with Lisa, who's been barbecuing all day long, and then throw it in the washing machine to wash it and air dry or lay it flat, and you are good to go. And that's because of the silicone that's included.
They wash up so beautifully. Look at the multi-dot set.
Love
Take a look right here. This is brand new. If you love the dots, if you love fun colors in the kitchen, and I look at it this way too. What about if you collect the color of lime in the seasonal colors? What about hot pink? What about eggplant? What about ocean fetty and summer?
Yes, please.
This set is going to match beautifully. So remember, you get the 2 gloves, the 2 oven mitts, the 11x7 trivet, and the 9x13 trivet. You're getting all 6 pieces when you place your order today. All you have to choose is what size glove you want. This is the gray damask. This is also new. If you are as in love with the Woodlands collection from Terra. This little damask pattern matches beautifully to the Woodlands, which I noticed immediately and had to have in the gray. It's very popular in the show today. Then we have that teal. Now the teal, if you love your ocean fetty, you love your turquoise in the spring and summer colors, if you love that color because you have a beach theme in your kitchen and in your dining room, that teal is a beautiful one to pick up. Now let's dive into the green. That's the color where Temp-tations got its start, but that palm pattern in the silicone accents, very popular this morning.
Cool, breezy, and easy.
Oh, palm's having a moment.
Yes,
That's what
it is.
Christine Zell said, and I agree.
I love it.
Then we're gonna dive into our classics, our basics. Now this is black, but notice in the next 4 color choices that we have, the 2 most popular patterns from Temp-tations are being represented there. Old World and Floral Lace available in the black. Then you have your red. That's Memorial Day red, 4th of July red, Labor Day red, Christmas red. That red is celebratory and good all year round. Then we have your blue, cobalt blue. If you love your Old World blue, you love your floral lace blue, that is a beautiful match. But I want you to think about this set maybe if you collect confetti like our dear Tara.
Yes.
That's gonna be a beautiful pop of color on your table. Then I have an update for you in this green. If you want it in the small size, only 3,200 remain.
That's it?
And if you want the large,
Wow.
1,900
Wow.
remaining. Keep in mind that for the day, more than 18,000 have already
you,
been
everybody.
ordered. 7,000 just in the kitchen with Mary. And all you have to do is choose your size. This is the small. This is the large. If you have big old mitts, you say, my husband's about David's size, he needs the large. And if you think, okay, I wear a small or a medium glove, get the small. That's the only other choice you have to make. Everything we brought in for our best value of the day today is supposed to last us for the year. It's our only order of the year. Now, come here and talk to me for a second, right in here. I want to talk to you in my face.
She's smelling bacon, but she's still going to stay focused.
That's true. It's hard to focus. For years, I chatted with you on Facebook during In the Kitchen with David, and we chatted about our love for Temp-tations, and we chatted about how much we love Tara and Lisa and the whole Temp-tations family. And you said, Mary, I would love to see new. This has you covered there. Mary, I would love to see a set of gloves and trivets all together for gifting, and maybe I could also pick up one for myself. She's got you covered there. We have you covered with Easy Pay. So if you're looking at the screen and you're thinking, less than $30, okay, I could pick up one for my mom, my best friend, my dad. But with Easy Pay, it makes it budget friendly to pick up one for yourself too. So it's about $4.99 for this piece, $4.99 for this one, $4.99 for this one, and then hold on, $4.99 a piece for each glove. So if you're looking at it and you're thinking, I might wait and pick it up in the fall, this is our only order of the year. You can order by phone. I suggest you order on QVC.com and your mobile apps, though, because wow, are we slam, bam, busy. Thank you, ma'am. But you can also use these outside on the grill. So while you're placing your orders, Lisa's gonna get lunch ready.
Yeah, isn't she so sweet? She's so good. Here's what I love about what Lisa, hey Lisa, here's what I love about what she's doing. Besides cooking us lunch, she's such a dream. She's actually being able to reach over that flame. Look at those flames shooting up around your burgers, around the hot dogs. I believe those are Bo Jackson's burgers coming up tonight. Super excited, just saying.
One of the greatest athletes of our time.
Seriously, but look at how easy this is, and she can actually reach right there and grab the kebabs. For me, trying to get the tongs, my short arms, I never can. She can grab the baked potatoes, she can grab the corn on the cob. Notice what she's not having to do. Find a spatula, find the tongs. She's literally reaching right in there and then using the trivet as a way to bring them right to the table. She doesn't need to dirty a bowl, she doesn't need to dirty a platter. She can put it right there, which is so fantastic. And look how coordinated everything looks. She's checking, she's cooking. This is relevant, this is real life. This is what we're going to be doing all summer long, and it looks beautiful outside, and she's got the right tools there. So not only is it perfect for outdoor, but take a peek at what I'm doing in here, Mary. I'm burning bacon, and I'm doing it on purpose, okay? First and foremost, my mom proceeded to tell me that nobody cooks bacon in a fry pan anymore, which I completely disagree with, by the way. I always do.
But if you're smart like Gail, I guess you don't.
Yeah, she bakes it, right? But for me, look what I did here. I have this frying pan where you can see how hot, and everybody knows about bacon. I'm going to show you right here. Look how I have put that mitt. And the only reason I'm going to cover it is because I want to take my hand away. There's no better way for me to show you about the heat transferability on